Hey everybody, Barrett Brashears here, and tonight we're going to be finishing up the video recorder. So, anyway, things have been going well on the project. Excited to get this video recorder finally wrapped up. It's already Wednesday this week, so I want to get this wrapped up as soon as possible and back onto the project greatest so that we can get this all finished up. So anyway, excited to get this finished. We're going to be finishing up a couple key features with the video recorder, the video playback portion of it, and also combining the clips into a single video output file and saving that to the your photo library on your device. So that's what we'll be working on tonight, and anyway, I just want to say thanks for watching. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, definitely subscribe to the videos. I make a couple videos a week working on different iOS projects, all sorts of stuff. So anyway, if you subscribe, really appreciate it. And if you enjoy this video, please thumbs it up. And anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Alrighty. Close that down. Open up my project here. Okay. Alright, so let's take a look. Let me get the QuickTime open so you guys can see what's going on with that as well. And kind of just show you where we're at. See here. Movie recording. Okay, so let's just build the app real quick. There's a couple things that I've changed. I have added a video player view that sits on top of the preview area there. Let's see what else. Anyway, I'll show you. Right now what I'm working on is getting the, let me just double check, video playback to work correctly. I need to make sure I hide the preview layer first. Let's see. So we'll hide that so we can see what's going on. So once the user, well, let me just show you what's going on, I guess. Alright, so it looks like I did not hide that view correctly. Anyway, right now the video preview layer is hidden behind the player view. You can see the little record button's working, so it's recording. So when we stop recording, it adds the clip there, going on here? So if I tap on the clip, and it's playing. Let me get that hidden though really quick. I thought let's see. Video player view hidden. Oh, I said false, my bad. Set that to true. Alright, so this is what we got now. So got the video preview layer going, shows you what's going on with that. Let's see. Also, we got our little counter down there in the corner working. So that's cool too. Tells you how long the video recording is. If we want to, we can do the front camera. Hi there, how's it going? Test 1, 2. Okay, so we can also do some cool stuff with the sorting. So now you can sort the clips. You can also, if you don't want this one, you can drag it up to the trash, delete that. So anyway, it's coming along pretty well. So I'm gonna add another clip in just for fun. Also, when you drag the clips up, it updates the timer as well. So that's kind of cool. So anyway, I'm gonna put this one as the first clip. And then what you can do too now, so this is the video functionality that I got kind of built out. So if you tap on the collection view cell there, let's see. Alright, it's not. What's going on? Okay, so now it's playing. So it should load that first clip, and then anyway it should loop. Okay, it looks like it's not looping through the next one, but we can play that one back. Okay, so what I wanted to do is loop through the video clips that are there. So let's see what's going on with that. I wonder if the delegate's not firing correctly or something. Let me see. It should say. Okay, so what we're using to play the video back is the let's see, where's that? Right here. The video player, the AV player view controller. Oh, okay, so that's why I was calling the wrong one. Instead of failed to start. Alright, so for some reason the play view controller, let's see, it did start picture in picture. So let's try and find the right delegate. Let's see. Player view controller. Did stop, maybe? Print Let me look up what delegate we need to use there. Okay, AV player. I'm trying to find the right. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we're gonna have to add a notification center observer. So we can say, let's get rid of those, and we don't have to implement the delegate method anymore. We'll just say item did finish playing. It's going to send in a notification. And that's going to be of NS notification type. Okay. So what we can do here is let's see. We'll add that before you say play. Okay, so we have to create a AV player item. Okay. So to create the player item, we just pass in the same player item. Okay, and then we just pass in the URL, the same URL that we're using here. Okay. Then once we have that player item, we can create the notification. So we'll say notification center. I'll get the default center. Add observer. So we're going to say self for this class to be the observer. Selector, that is our item did finish playing. Also gonna, okay, so the name we're looking for is this right here, and the object is the player item. I always forget to close off my selector with the bracket or parenthesis there. Okay. And it looks like we have an extra name. Okay. And that's good. So now, I'll just say, we'll move all this stuff here. So now when the clip finishes, it should increase the index that we have and then check to see if the index is still within the bounds there, and then play the next clip if there's something there. So okay, so let's test this out now. Alright, so it's recording the first video clip. The play button, the pause button there. Okay, so then we'll have this next one. We'll flip the camera. Okay, and then we'll just do one more we'll do something like that. Okay. We'll just, for fun, we'll sort this again. Okay, so now when I tap on the first clip, okay, it's playing. Okay, nothing's happening there. Player item. Okay, it might be because I just didn't do anything with the player item. Might have to set it here, maybe. Yep, my bad. Okay, let's try that one more time. Let's see. Something's messed up here. Okay, so it's running. Now let's do that again. Just do a short clip there. And we'll just do one here. Okay. So then we will click on that one. It's playing. Alright. Cool. So I did that. Let's just for fun. Okay, so when you click on that, it just does that again. So one thing I need to do is once it finishes, I need to make sure to remove the player because that is still, or hide the player because it's still visible right now. Okay. Just test this again with the sorted eyes. Okay, looks good. Cool. Also, when it stops, I want to add a play button over the. Maybe not. Yeah, probably. Okay. let's take a look here. I wonder if I should add a progress. I don't know. Okay, so I think let's just figure out what we're going to do next here. So we have it playing. We need to combine those video clips and export just a single video now. So let's see how we're going to do that. Let's see. What kind of a file is that again? Okay, so looks like we're gonna have to create a Alright, well, let's take a look here. Create a merge function. Stick this at the very end here. Alright, merge video clips. Okay, so so AV mutable composition. Okay, so I think we'll go ahead and add a couple tracks to that, and those are the video clips. So video track. So we have to create new tracks. Say composition and mutable track with media type. Media type we're going to be using is AV media type video. Track ID. Let's take a look at this method really quick here and see what it says. Okay. So preferred track ID specifies the preferred track ID for the new track. The preferred track ID will be used for the new track provided that it's not currently in use and has not been previously used. If you do not specify a preferred track ID, pass this right here. Specified track ID is not available, or KM persistent track ID was passed in. A unique track ID will be generated. Okay. A result of an AV mutable composition track representing the new track. Its actual track ID is available via its track ID key. Okay. Well, so then we'll just say that for the preferred track ID. So we don't have that, and so that'll generate the unique ID for that. Okay, so once we can do that, we can say video track dot insert time range of track at time. Okay, this is getting pretty complicated pretty quick. Okay, so so the first time range, so we need to make a time range, so CMT time range make. Okay. Start at 0, and then, okay, so this is where we need to be looping through all of our videos here. Hold on, so are we gonna have to do this for audio too? First lesson. Great. I think so. Okay. So we're going to loop through for video in self.video clips. Okay, so that's where all of our video clips are stored, their URLs at least are. Right. So need to, okay, so we need an AV asset track. Let's see. See what we need to do to create an asset track. Track ID. Okay, maybe we just need to create an AV asset first, then we can get the track from that, I guess. Oops. Okay, good. So then, let's say video. Video assets. Let's see. Seems like there should be an easier way to do this, but maybe not. Okay, so we have tracks with okay, there we go. Tracks with media type. I'm going to say AV media type video. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we have our asset track. Okay. We also have our audio track. so I think we can just call this an asset, and then we can grab the video and the audio from the same one. So say video, asset track. So that's our video and our audio tracks. So then okay. Video track, and we're going to say audio track here. Okay, so then we're going to get from the composition add mutable track media type, AV media type audio. And we're going to set the preferred ID to this again. Okay. So video asset track dot duration. Oh, so we just get the asset duration. Okay. It's time. Let's see. So right now, so when we're looping through, we need to set these each to be in order, so we have to increase the time. So right, CMT. So we'll create a set that to 0 first. So I'll say time here. Then we will take time plus equals asset duration, like that. All right. Okay, how do we add? Okay, so Okay, so you can't do that. I wonder if we can do it when we seconds. Okay, so we can say timer 0.0. Preferred time scale. I don't know what that is. Okay, so we'll say time there. Okay. Time scale. Time scale. Let's see. Value over time scale equals seconds. So I think we just want to do it over 1, right? We will see. Okay. Time. Okay. Let's see how to convert CM time to double. Might just have seconds. Okay. Duration, CM time. Okay, that's not gonna work. Let's see here. We want 0 instead of range 0. Okay. So what we're doing is inserting the video, and it's the whole video from 0 seconds to as long as it goes. Get the video asset track. Let's see what's going on here. I think I need to, okay, my bad. Okay, cast that. Okay, so then, So I thought we could pass in value times scale. Okay, so the value is time and the time scale is 1. I think that's what we're going for. Right there. Call can throw what is not marked with try. Try. Okay. Great. Okay, have some error handling there. Okay, let's see this. Can it convert value? Okay, so we convert that to an int. 64. Okay, still. That's what I wanted right there. Okay. I already had that right there. That time. That's what I wanted right there. Okay. So that's the video track, and so then we also need to add the audio track for that URL. I have a T in there, audio track, okay. Insert time range. It's going to be the same stuff here, pretty much. Except the only difference is instead of the video track, we're going to insert the audio track, but since it's the same length and everything, just use the same time ranges and all that good stuff. Okay, so once those are all inserted, so it loops through all the URLs that we have, inserting the audio and video tracks. Let's see. Okay, so now once we have that, we need to actually save the AV mutable composition. Okay, so what we do there is, so that's the loop, the end of the loop there. So we'll get the document, get the directory, domain mask, let's see. Okay, so we got the directory there. Okay. And I guess we'll just save this as a unique string so it doesn't have overwriting or writing issues. So we'll get a timestamp for this. So we'll create a date formatter. And then we'll set the date style. And also the time. Okay, so our date and time, that'll be good. String from date. Oops. Okay, so we have the date string there. And then we'll get the save path. Okay. Directory. String. By. So what is that? Appending. String. So we just combine the two strings here. No, that's not right. String by. This is easier. Okay, so save path will equal merged video. And then we'll say dash date dot mp4. Cool. Oh, but we forgot to add in the directory as well. Oops. Right, let me look. Hold on, I just did this a second ago. So we need to add a slash in there, yeah. Okay, so that's a good save path there. Okay, then we need to get a URL for that save path. Let's see, file with URL path. Okay, so once we do that, we have to create an exporter. So create an export session. This is where we pass in the component. Is that what I call it? The composition. Okay. Let me say preset name. I guess we'll just do highest quality, I guess. AV assets export preset highest quality. Okay. Exporter dot. I guess we'll say the output URL. Okay. And also should optimize for network use is equal to true. Okay. Also, we need to specify file type. Maybe file. Pick 4. Right. Yep. Okay. Cool. Now all we have to do is perform the export. Okay, so once that's done, we can so I already have this exporter from this previous function that what we did was crop the video. So let's see where that's at. Okay, so here we here I want this. Right, finish export. Or you'll say final export completion. Okay. I'm not going to add any video clips or thumbnails. Index path, don't need that. Don't need to scroll. Okay, so we want to save it to the AV asset library. Okay, so we're going to save it to our asset library, and once it's saved there, it's going to play the whole thing. So let's go ahead and try this out and see if it works. so it looks like we have an error here. Oh, I forgot to call. My bad. Okay. So, looks like we are using a deprecated method there for iOS 9. So we'll have to go through that and see if we can't update that. So the first clip here, just do a little video of the code. Okay. Looks good. And then the second clip. Oh, sorry. Let me open up the QuickTime so you can see. So we're recording the second clip. We're at 16 seconds there. Hit stop on that. And then we'll flip the camera around one more time. We'll see what 3 clips. Okay. Let's just do one more for fun. See if this works or not. Let's do a 30-second video. Okay, well, you know what the problem is I forgot to hook up the dang merge video clips. Okay, so in the done button, that's where we're gonna add this. So let's find the IB action for that. Crap, I can't believe I forgot to do that. Record video, swap cameras. Okay, I don't have one yet. Oops, forgot to add the function. Keyword there. Okay, cool. Let's see. Now I gotta go hook it up in the storyboard. Oh, the cat's freaking out. I hate that cat. My wife's cat. Alright, just a second. Let me go deal with the cat. Touch up inside. Can Roxy stop it? Okay, let me deal with the cat real quick. Okay. Okay, so we have the project built there. Okay, so this is the first video recording clip. Okay. Second one. 4 video clips we'll try to combine here and see if that works. Okay. And just for fun, we'll sort it. Okay, so when we export this, it should start out with the screen and then the other camera. Okay, so hit the done button. Alright, sweet, so it's playing the video back with all the combined clips. Let's see, I can't remember. So it's 25 seconds long. So the timer's a little bit off there. I'll have to figure out what's going on with that. But anyway, I think that worked pretty good. I'm just going to add a couple more video clips to see how that works. Okay. Okay, cool. And then I'm going to just, for fun, I'll sort, well, I'll keep it like that. Actually, I'll just do this and then I'll delete this one. Okay. Hit the done button again. Alright, cool. It looks like it's working well. So that's exciting. So we have some basic video editing where you can sort the clips, delete them, and then add new video clips. Okay, let's see what the warning here. Same time, make scale error of -0 point introduced to very low time scale. Don't know what that means. I'll have to look into that. Okay, cool. So, alright. So if we hit done there, we'll get back to the video. Oh, just for fun, let's see, make sure that's being saved to the asset library there. Yep, looks like it's there, and it's nice square video. Sweet. Right now you can't hear anything because it's plugged in through the new movie recording. But there should be sound here. Let me unplug this so you guys can hear, make sure. I'm just going to add a couple more video clips to see how that works. Cool. So the audio and video are coming through combined. Anyway, it worked good. Sweet. Okay, so what do I want to work on next with this? So I think now that I have the basics of this kind of fleshed out, I'm going to go through and polish up everything. And just for fun, I'm going to make this code available. So on GitHub, if anyone wants to, let me publish this to GitHub. If anyone wants to download this project and kind of tinker with it or whatever, you guys are more than welcome to. screen in the other room. Let's see here. Okay, so I just pushed this up to GitHub. Let me. This is definitely a work in progress, so it'll be changing here in the next couple days for sure, a lot. Okay. So I think that's gonna do it for tonight. I'm gonna kind of tinker with it some more in my spare time tomorrow. Try and fix some of these warnings here. And anyway, just want to say thanks so much for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. So have a good night.